Okay, so welcome back, guys. So we are going to continue our little project here on ebook landing page. So in the last video, we were able to create this the nav bar, including this hero section, and also the form, okay, for the subscribe to our newsletter. And then we were able to create these two columns for the ebook intro. So next thing that we are going to do is for the click to action section. Okay, so this is our sample website that I just created last week, and then we are going to make this cloud move from left to right of the screen. So it's as you can see, this is moving from left to right. Okay, so we're going to do that as well. So you can see there's also an image, and then there's a dark overlay, then some text and a download now button, and also some icons here. Okay, so these are coming from the font awesome that we included in our project folder. Okay, so in this lesson I'm going to go straight to the coding, and then later on I will explain to you what I did with the HTML and CSS. Okay, so let's go to our Visual Studio Code.
These roads intersect, on each one I reflect. These lines write my story. These places change me, each one replacing. Like night into morning, I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you like we used to. Guess I'm better off alone, never know when I'll get home, but I know that home's where the heart is. intersect. On each one I reflect. These lines write my story. These places change me, each one replacing. Like night into morning, I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you, like we used to. Guess I'm better off alone, never know when I'll get home.
Okay, so in our HTML for the click to action, okay, I created here a div with an ID of CTA, okay, and then there is another div for the dark overlay, just what we did with the image in our hero section. We are going to also to put a little bit darkness in the image so that it cannot it will make the image nicer to see in the desktop, okay, or in the website. And then we also added another div which has a class name of cloud overlay, and then I style this one and put an image of a cloud, and then use the animation to make the clouds move from left to right. Okay, so here is just another div for the container row, and then for the column, and then for the MX Auto, this will put all the elements in the center, including all the text, because I added here a text center. Then it has an h3, 2 and 4 tags. Okay, and for the download button I use an anchor tag with a class name of btn and btn danger. Okay, now I use the font awesome icons, so to be able to use that, I'll just include it here, the class name of that icon, so it's gonna be displayed with the different icons. Okay, now for the styles, we style the CTA, or the click to action. This is the ID, and then we position that relative, and then I included here the background, and this is the laptop JPEG, and then I got this from pexel.com. You can download that and then include it in your file. Okay, then the minimum height of that image is 550 pixels, so the height is will be contained with a 550 pixel only. Okay, for the dark overlay, there you go, I use here the RGBA with the 0.08, so it's gonna be a little bit darker, and then I position that absolute. Okay, starting from the top 0 and left is 0. Okay, the width is 100%, and also the minimum height is 550 px. It should be the same with the laptop image, okay, so that it will cover all the laptop image. Next is the cloud overlay. So as you can see here, I also position that absolute, starting from the top 0, left 0, width is and height is 100%, and this cloud.png, okay, I'm gonna include that in the description below. You can download it there and use it in your project. Now, in order for the cloud to move, we use this special CSS animation, and then I name this one animate, and then 300 seconds is gonna move from left to right. It's going to be linear, straight, and then non-stop, so I use infinite. Okay, and there's the keyframes that will animate the cloud, and it position from the 0 pixel, and then the 5440 pixel. Okay, and then this one is for the heading. Okay, I'll just put some margin on top, and then just a color. The same with the icons. Okay, I just increase the size to 34 pixel, and then have a margin of 1 em. Okay, so that's all with the index and styling of our project. So I think we're already done. Okay, so for the footer, we'll just give this a class name of okay, the tag name is just footer, and then with the class name of py5, this will give a margin top of 5, and then bottom padding of 5. Okay, so we also want to give this a dark background, so we use the BG dark, and then text center, and then the color of the text is white. Okay, and then inside the footer we'll just create a simple p tag here, and then we'll just write copyright 2019 powered by Levi web web design and development. Okay, there you go. So we'll save that, go back to our landing page, and then let's refresh, and here we have here our footer. Okay, so I think we're almost done with our ebook landing page. So we were able to create these the nav bar, okay, the hero section, this subscription form, okay, the ebook intro, this click to action with the cloud that is moving, okay, and also the footer. Okay, so I thank you very much everyone for watching our tutorial, and I hope to see you guys in the upcoming tutorials in the future.